I do get calls from customers, not let's say because the floor is cupping again, but let's say the floor is separated. The winter tends to be a lot drier inside the house. Your relative humidity could be down as low as 30% or even lower. Once it starts getting below that, the wood starts shrinking. It does not like that. So I go in there, I test the wood, I walk around with the homeowner, they're able to see the numbers on the display, and it gives them education so they know what's going on. Tell them to kick in some moisture so, it doesn't keep shrinking. But most of the time when the floors do that, they come back, they snap out and close back up in the spring. But everybody doesn't like living in a bubble. These windows are open. This is an old house. This house may not even have insulation with it. I'm not sure that it'd fall because I just re-sanded this one. But every house is different, so you gotta just do your homework, educate the customer so he knows what's going on, or she, and that goes a long way to not getting that call back.